Hello, the generally unsettled weather is set to continue, but with some windows of drier weather, one of which is today for many parts of England and Wales. Not all, because further north, along with Northern Ireland and Scotland, we've got some showers or longer spells of rain. That's here on the satellite picture. There's our window of dry weather further south, but already looming large, the next area of cloud and our next area of low pressure, which is going to bring more rain in following this little ridge of high pressure later tonight and for tomorrow, and this time more so in the south. But for today, it showers longer spells of rain across parts of Scotland, hill fog and snow here. For the far north of Scotland, brighter but chilly. These showers currently across parts of Northern Ireland easing northwards but affecting southwest Scotland and northern England, whilst any showers further south should become fewer and further between. It's a windy day, or it's certainly blustery out there, but the winds will ease down later ahead of this next approaching area of low pressure, which looks to bring more rain through the night across the southern half of England, the southern half of Wales. Further north, the cloud tends to fade a little bit, allowing some patchy fog and some patchy frost. So a little bit colder to start tomorrow morning in the north. In fact, a chillier day on the whole, because it starts chilly in the north. The fog takes a while to clear. And we've got the rain and the strong winds, gales through the channel potentially, pushing that rain eastwards. More showers or longer spells of rain following as well. So more unsettled day for England and Wales and Northern Ireland, perhaps a little bit drier, rather chilly across Scotland. And then we have another window of drier weather moving back in, this next ridge of high pressure pushing these weather fronts away, but already looming large, the weekend's low pressure system. So we are concerned because there are still a dozen or so of flood warnings in force, the ground saturated, more rain through the day on Thursday in the south and then for the weekend. But Friday, yes, chilly to start, some fog around as well. Then it's mostly dry until late on. But for the weekend, we've got our next significant low pressure coming in, some windier weather, some wetter weather for most parts. We could see another 20 millimetres of rain, if not more, on saturated ground because it's moisture-laden, mild Atlantic air coming in. So the concerns continue for further flooding. The river levels, of course, high, the ground saturated, and as ever, you'll be able to find the latest warnings on the website.